In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at what exactly partitioning is in Azure Serverless Cosmos DB. So, if you remember, we created these containers, and while creating the containers, we had defined this partition key, that's the job ID. So in our case, the partition key was basically used to identify items uniquely based on the job ID. So what exactly this partition key is used further for? Azure Serverless applications basically creates logical partitions based on these partition keys, and these partition keys are then further used to scale your data requirements. To elaborate it further, if I go ahead and create a new container, here you'll find the partition key is a mandatory option. Now if I go ahead and see what exactly it's trying to say, it says that the partition key is used to automatically partition data among multiple servers for scalability. And we are supposed to choose a JSON property name that has a wide range of values and is likely to have evenly distributed access patterns. So you can have such partition keys created, and using that, the Cosmos DB will have logical partitions. Now these logical partitions can then also be created as physical partitions, but that is something which we don't have to worry about. That's something which Azure automatically takes care of. So all we are left with doing is selecting a partition key, and using that partition key, Azure basically partitions data among multiple servers for scalability purposes. So that's the concept of partition key and partitioning in Azure Serverless applications.